Hello everyone, hello Fam Jams, all my family and friends here on YouTube, and you know who you are. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just want to make a quick announcement and let everybody know that YouTube has changed its terms in order to have my channel monetized. And that's just not my channel, that's everybody's channel. I believe it was starting last year or so. So their new terms is that I need to have 1,000 subscribers. That's right, guys, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. That's a lot of watch time. That means that you guys are watching my videos right to the end so that I can get my watch time hours, and that you're referring and subscribing new subscribers as well. I'm doing my part, and I'm really asking you guys to do your part so that I can bring you the best so that my channel can be monetized. So I do have, SMART goals, which are, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time sensitive. And they're time sensitive because I do want to get my channel monetized as quickly as possible. My goal for March is to actually hit 150 subscribers. So if we can surpass 150 subscribers, I will be over the moon with excitement. That's right, over the moon. Actually, if there was another phrase, maybe under the stars, or, I don't know, something like that. So yes, YouTube has changed their terms. So 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. So what does that mean to me? That means that my channel will be monetized, and I'll actually be able to buy better equipment from it. I'll actually be able to go into Sephora and drop lots of money and be able to purchase lots of makeup products and do makeup reviews on new products daily. That's right, daily. I've made 90 some videos so far. I'm a long way off getting my 1,000 subscribers. I am at 119. I've been working like crazy trying to, get that subscriber count up, and I thank all those other people out there, you know who you are, for helping me as well to get my subscriber count up. So thank you so much to all of you guys. So that being said, please make sure that you watch my videos for the full length of the videos. I try not to make my videos too long because people's retention spans are horrible these days. And you know what? I have a horrible retention span too. So I want to make sure that you guys are getting the best content, that you're loving my channel, and I hope that you do like my channel and that you do support me in, all that I do. And I know that you do. I believe that from the bottom of my heart. I do believe that you do support me. And I want to make sure that I continue to be able to support you guys by continuing to upload videos on a regular basis, by continuing to be able to get the necessary products, the necessary equipment, the necessary tools, etc., to be able to showcase all these wonderful beauty products that are on the market, and let you know what the features and benefits of them are. So keep that in mind when you're watching my videos. Besides just giving it a thumbs up and a like and maybe leaving a comment, watch it to the very end. So I will try my very best to make sure that my videos are between 5 and 10 minutes long and no longer than that. If they are longer than that, it's a specific message that I'm trying to convey to you guys, or it's a makeup tutorial that I'm doing. Hopefully you guys caught my last video on Bang & Brows. If you haven't, it's the cheapest facelift that you can get. Love my new brows, and thank you so much to Sammy, who is actually the winner of the Banging Brow contest, and also to Mercedes, who came in second. There was a whole whack of people duking it out, and like I say, duking it out, it's almost like they were punching each other. So I'm extremely excited to be on YouTube, and I'm hopefully that you guys are extremely excited to watch my content on a regular daily basis, and to watch it to the end, and to make sure that you're leaving comments. And when I say comments, I'm not just saying whatever the comments that you want to say, and be honest with me. I really appreciate honesty and loyalty as well. And we have the secret contest going on my channel. So whoever refers for subscribers and new subscribers, whoever refers or refers from a referral, a new subscriber to my channel will be entered into that secret contest that I was telling you guys about. And thank you so much to all those who have been helping me out with my subscribers. You know who you are. So In that regards, March giveaway month is still happening, and I want to make sure and I trust that you guys will be able to get more subscribers for me, and I appreciate you watching my channel episodes. Yes, sometimes I'm a little eccentric. Sometimes I do wear, makeup, which I do a lot actually, and wigs and stuff like that too. But you know what? YouTube's supposed to be fun. It's an outlet where you can share your ideas, your thoughts and stuff like that. And I want you guys to share your ideas with me too. So if you have any ideas of, what I should be talking about, any titles, exciting titles, please, leave a comment, and, maybe I'll do a giveaway in April for, the best title for a makeup episode. Anyways, that being said, guys, remember 4,000 watch hours equates to 240,000 minutes that I need to achieve to hit my goal. Hopefully I can hit that in a shorter time as opposed to a long time. Actually, I think that might be a song. And 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting there. I'm at 119. Been working really hard, 90 some videos to bring you the best content on a regular daily basis. Stay tuned. There is a beauty episode coming up next on beauty within and beauty on the inside and outside. So hopefully you'll enjoy that and watch it till the end. Cheers everyone, and enjoy your day. Love y'all.